To navigate to the career tools, select Plan Your Future, scroll down, and then select Plan for a Career from the left navigation. You can click on any of the cards in the middle of the page to learn more, or use the links in the left navigation panel. Let's start with Learn About Yourself, where you'll find the career assessments available to you. Notice that they provide different ways for you to explore. Some of the assessments help you explore careers based on your interest, whereas others are based on factors such as your values and skills. To take these assessments, you will need to be logged into your account. Notice that under each assessment, there's a brief description and an estimated time for completion. To begin, click on the title and then Start. For each question, select the answer that best describes you, and then click Next to continue. You can track your progress with this indicator on the right. It's best to finish the assessment in one session, but if you need to pause, you can save your progress and finish at a later time. Once you've answered all the questions, select Finish to view your results. Your results will be saved, and you can view them at any time by going to Previous Results, or by going to your Career Plan tab in My Dashboard. Now let's explore another helpful career tool. Here you can browse career profiles and categories to find careers. There are two ways to search. You can browse by the 16 national career clusters, or search for a specific career using the search bar. Hover your mouse over each cluster for a description, and when you click, you'll see careers in that cluster. To use the search bar, simply type the name of the career. On the career profile page, you'll see a description and other helpful information such as salary, employment trends, and education requirements. You can even explore North Carolina colleges offering related programs to prepare you for this career. Select Save if you'd like to add this career to your list of saved careers in your CFNC dashboard. As you explore careers, you may be wondering what certain careers pay and if the income will support your desired lifestyle. That's where Reality Check can help. Reality Check is a fun, interactive tool designed to help you estimate costs associated with your lifestyle in categories such as housing, transportation, food, and entertainment. After completing the activity, you'll be directed to careers that meet your financial needs. Lastly, finding a career that matches your interests and skills is important, but you also want to know which occupations have the best prospects. Explore the Know Before You Go resources to see which occupations in North Carolina provide the best opportunities. For instance, here's a table showing the top 30 careers in North Carolina based on wages, projected growth rate, and projected job openings. As you plan your future, remember, CFNC.org is here to support you in your career journey. Please click Contact Us if we can be of help.